computer. Okay. Hello, little dudes. So we're going to talk about how to get the linear regression on your calculator. We're going to start with a set of data. In this case, we're using age and height. And so the question is height related to age? The age here is in months, the height in centimeters. Well, by hand, we did a nice scatter plot like this. It looks linear, and wouldn't it be great to fit a line through there? Now, used to, we would have to do a whole lot of averages and squares and square roots and standard deviations. Not anymore, because we're going to use the calculator. Let's see how the TI-84 helps us get the equation of the regression line. Okay, so here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Stat, Clear List. I don't know what's in my L1 and L2, but you know what I do know? As soon as I hit Enter, they'll be empty. Done. Okay, now we're going to go to Stat, Edit, and I'm going to enter in those values. Now I'm going to call L1 my X variable, the independent variable, and this was the height. So our height values were 36, 48, 51, 54, 57, and 60. I believe we had 6 values. That is correct. Now we'll go over to L2. These were our heights. So the kid went from 86 to 90 to 91 to 93 to 94 and then to 95. Okay, now those are our data points. We want to manipulate those and work with those. So I've got to go to second, y equals. I'm going to put my stat plot on. Number 1, we're going to turn this to on. The type, remember, this will be our dots. Okay? My X list is L1, my Y list is L2, and I will mark these with a single dot like that. Now, what this will do is this will give me the scatter plot if I hit, I'm going to try a zoom 9. Oh, what did I forget to do? Does anybody remember? Go to my y equals and clear out those other equations. We should remember to do that. And that will help us manage this. So clear that out. Now let's hit a zoom 9. And there is our scatter plot. Looks pretty linear. Nice job. Okay. Now we're going to calculate that. Again, let's go Stat, Calc, number 4, LinReg AX plus B, X list L1, Y list L2. Now the frequency list, we're going to leave it blank because each thing only happens once. Store reg equa, yes please. I would like it to store my reg equation where? Vars, Y vars, function y1. What is that going to do? It's going to take the equation, put it in y1. Let's calculate it. And there's your ax plus b. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. So this is y equals 0.383 repeating x plus 71.95. Now, notice you've got your r squared and your r. I got an r value of 0.99. That's really good. Do you remember what's perfect r's? 1 or -1, right? So this is a 0.994 r. Love it. Now, here's the beautiful thing. If I go to graph, boom, there's my line. And I can get all of my residuals here. So this line kind of comes up through here like that. And I can get any residuals based on this. So isn't this kind of cool? So we can do a residual for 54. second trace value, 54. Boom, there's the dot. So the line is 92.65. If I go to trace, that goes through my dots, 54.93. Isn't that cool? So what was that again? Second trace value, 54. That puts me right on the line, 92.65. My actual value is 94, so I've got a residual of 1.35. And that is how you do the correlation to get the line of best fit, the linear regression on your calculator. Good luck. Watch this video again and do the problem that's assigned.